Hi, in front of me is KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, click Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!